today I'm making chicken noodles, a very easy recipe to follow. Hope you enjoy it. So you can start by getting the garlic and ginger ready. Peel the ginger. Then I like to peel everything at once, so I peeled the carrots. Then I used a food processor to mince my garlic and ginger, or chopped up, you can just chop it up into small pieces. Then start getting all the other vegetables ready. And chicken. I like to cut everything into strips. I use carrots and spring onions, but you can add green beans or broccoli, whatever you prefer in your family. Then start cooking everything in sesame oil in a wok. Add the dry ingredients here while the chicken is cooking. Stir that very well. Then you can add the carrots because that takes a bit longer to cook than the other vegetables. Here you can add broccoli if you prefer. Then you can add the wet ingredients. Stir that very well. I really like this recipe. I've been doing it for a while. My family love it. It's very delicious, full of flavor. Once that's done, then you can start cooking your noodles, which won't take long. Once that's done, stir everything and enjoy.